This is a much anticipated haul that I've been wanting to do. And we're here with both phones. Okay. This one is for some reason stuck. Okay, so let's just get into it so we don't waste time. So we're gonna do X and then 7 cases for this haul. A lot of these cases are new and I'm not sure if you guys seen them, so we're gonna also take out some of the newer ones. I might want to watch back the freaking videos so I can know which one is which, because I've been consistently buying cases. These are for 8. No, these are for an iPhone X, which I do not have. I have an XsMax. Multiple cases here, as you can see. A lot of these cases was in the last videos. I don't want to go and do all of those. I'm not sure if this marble one was, but it's nothing fancy, so we won't get into that. I kind of can tell which ones were here and which ones weren't. It's just based off of some of the funner things that I've been getting into. I think the ice cream one was here already. Oh yeah, this one wasn't here. And shout out to, that was in my last video. Shout out to them for sending me that case. All these other cases really were here. So you guys seen the majority of this. I don't know if you've seen the I'm Very Busy case. In fact, we're just going to go back and maybe pull up the last video. And see if we can see what cases was in that last video, because we don't want to go through. Yeah, I'm Very Busy was in it. It's right there. So we don't want to put that back out. Alright, so that should be it. So these are all the newer ones. And these are all the older ones in here. And that's about it. Ain't no more cases in here, so let's get into it. So to start off, we're going to start off with what's on our iPhone 7. Just for sure, because it doesn't have the SIM card anymore, it kind of acts funny. Shut that down, because again, it acts funny now that it doesn't have its SIM card or whatever. And it freezes. So these are on my POSHMARK for sale. If you guys are interested, it's just GWEN Xoxo on POSHMARK. So let's get into it. So first off, we have this case, which is cracked now, which I love. It's like my it's my icon on my Instagram, so that's amazing. We have this one. Just move this keyboard out of the way, which is amazing. We have it's a Thug Life case by Case Venge, but I love this case because I think this case reminds me of On the Run. And this is for my iPhone 7 Plus. Amazing. Okay, and also for you guys, we have the emergency supply. I'd rather be drunk. XXX fits up. So yeah, this one is cute. I liked this one a lot. One of my faves. Okay. This is the melanin case, which is really, really cute. This is case I got off AliExpress. The little evil character, which is amazing, with the actual strap to match. This I kind of bought, I think, out of Marshall's, which is peeling on the inside, and it's just lashes. This is a bendy case, and I also have the magnets in some of these because I used to mount them in a car, and that mount that I got was amazing. It still is working. You guys can go back, and it's on the Tech Chic video, and it is amazing that these mount accessories for the car. And it's a bendy case. This is also a case that I got from AliExpress, and it's a lily case. This is a Moschino case, and there goes the mount there, and that one as well, because I am using the mounts on these cases. And it's a Moschino case. And so there you have that. Alright, so let's go on to the iPhone X, which I just have had for like 2 weeks now. And it's face detection, of course, which I love. So that is also amazing. So this is the same case as the 7, but in the X. I actually currently have on the actual 7 Plus this case here. Okay, and I also have one in the 8. And on the iPhone 8, I also have this one here. Ooh, don't drop it. So that's on the actual 8 right now. Just this case. I bought this little ilographic hard case for the 8. I bought a Boss case. I can take them out so you guys can see. And this is like more or less rubbery plastic. That is more harder plastic. This is more rubbery plastic. And that one says Boss. This is similar to the same one from the Boss one, and this one says Queen. Over here for the 8s, these are the cases I have for the 8s. This doesn't go there, this goes here. These is the cases I have for the 8. I keep saying 8. It's not an 8, it's an XsMax. I'm gonna have to delete every time I say 8. For the XsMax, okay? And so these are the cases that I have for the XsMax, and these are the cases that I have for the 7 Plus. So guys, yeah, of course I am a little bit, you know, serious about my cases, which is obvious. I'm kind of serious about my cases, but yeah. Okay, on to some little accessories. I have these 2 holding stands. So it says hold my calls, love. This is from Maybelline. So they sent me this cute, with their products, they sent me this cute potty thing for the phone, which I haven't used. Probably gonna end up giving that away. And also got one from Olay. Of course, for being a beauty consultant, we get all their little goodies. I bought this, and it's a wallet. It's like a cell phone pocket, so it goes on behind the cell phone, but because my cases are so bomb, I hate to put it there, so I might be giving it away in an upcoming giveaway. And I also have like 4 of these in my house. So I have one here, one here, one here, one over there. Or one in my room. I have one in my room. This one is still in the case, which is probably going to be for a giveaway. And I have 2 in here. One for my computer and one for by my sofa. So guys, this is it. So like I said, I just recently got the new iPhone XsMax, and I love it. And I chose to go space gray this time. And I went from the rose gold to the space gray because I just didn't want anything like super girly. I wanted something a little bit more harder. They had like a silver that kind of looks like a white and a gold. So I just wanted to go like off. So this is just a quick updated phone case haul. So you guys know I'm still with the shits when it comes to my cases. So as you can see here, I uploaded this video February 17, 2019. In the process of just uploading it and getting it going. Just watching the cases and seeing which cases I've already had and the ones that were that I didn't have. I managed to order another case, so I ordered a case for the iPhone XsMax. This one, I ordered this one, so that wasn't in the video. Where is it? Twin. Oh my god, it's Twin is on the phone. I ended up ordering this one because I had one for the 7 Plus, but I did not have one for the Max. So I ended up ordering these 3 cases and then getting this for my daughter because little does she know she wants a 7 Plus because it's pink and they won't make any more pink phones. So either she's gonna get the 7 Plus because I have tons of pink cases for her. That's underneath all of this other stuff that she can use, plus this for her room. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that in the process of me uploading that video and just watching cases, in a matter of 2 weeks, I was able to order more cases. So I do have it in pink, but it's a 7 and I just cracked it. And so I'm pissed off right now. But it's so gorgeous, I'm just gonna order another one. So when I tell you guys, it only takes like 2 weeks for your cases to come. I don't know if you guys have that type of patience, but I do because I get tons of stuff. So just wanted to update you that, you know, I'm still ordering after that video was just uploaded. Not even uploaded, but uploaded to my iMovie. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, you can find a lot of my cases on my POSHMARK. I do post up some that I do want to get rid of. And it's GWEN Xoxo. So guys, check me out over there. And on Instagram, follow me. And see you in my next video, guys.